Hey guys, hey, I told y'all, man. I told y'all boys, this was a minimum, bro. A minimum double up for this sneaker right here. I'm telling y'all, bro, this literally might go down this sneaker to here, but I ain't gonna try to hype it up too much. Let's go ahead and get into today's video, man. Let's get right to it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing because I feel like a lot of you guys already know, man, what the double up is, bro. And I know a lot of you guys are going to double up. So if you are going to double up on the sneaker we're showing you guys there, you double up on anything this year because it's a lot of double up worthy sneakers. Go ahead and comment it down below. Let's get the interaction going so we can keep chopping up down below in the comment section, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, I need everybody to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please give a huge thumbs up on today's video, man. That'd be greatly appreciated. And all my social media links will be down below. And make sure you guys go check out Joma Shop. Get all your fragrances, all your colognes for discounted prices. Don't pay the full price, where you can pay a way cheaper price, man. Check out Joma Shop. Use my link down below. If you want to get your grown man on, and it's Valentine's Day today, if you want to get somebody a gift, Joma Shop, the way to go for all your men fragrances. All right, guys, you should know what we have in the box, bro. You guys should know what we got in today, man. Super excited because I don't gotta worry about the release, bro. Your boy don't gotta worry about the release, man. The double up is secure. And shouts out to Nike for this crazy W, man. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I don't even need no knife today because the tape was dang near off of it when I got the package. I almost didn't beat the final boss, but we did. Literally, the shoe already came like untaped right here. I was like, man, I don't need to be stupid in my sneakers, bro. Don't be stupid in my sneakers, you feel me? But let's go ahead and get right into it. And once I pop the top open, you guys should know exactly what we do have in today, man. Let's go ahead and check it out, bro. Let's check it out, man. Y'all see what we got, bro. Double up action right here, man. Double up action, man. Let's go ahead and get right into this thing real quick. You guys see it, bro. You see it, man. Red Jumpman on the front with the flight underneath, bro. You can't beat it, man. Reimagines, bro. Reimagines, man. Y'all know what we got, bro. Air Jordan 4 Retro Black Fire Red Cement Gray. Of course, I got these in a size 9.5. And while I'm speaking about the size that I went with, I'm telling y'all, bro. I know a lot of you, you watch a lot of videos, people talking about what size and stuff to get. Bro, like when I went up this half a size, it felt so good on my feet. Like, I'm trying to recommend everybody go up a half a size. I don't know if it's due to the leather that came with it or what, but this 9.5 fits perfectly, bro. I'm telling y'all, man. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick, bro. Let's go ahead and pop it open. You guys see it. That's straight, new sneaker smell from Nike, bro. We have them, bro. The Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagine, guys, bro. And that smell, woo! These things smell so good, man. Let's get both of them out of the box, bro. And I'm good, man. I'm good. Your boy, the vintage is good. I know a lot of you guys probably already got at least one pair if you did watch the videos about the shock drop. And today, they did the exclusive access for JD and Finish Line. And I want to, talk about that real quick because there was rumors that we will be getting exclusive access on Nike Sneakers app. They did not happen, but it potentially still could be happening this week. That's my bad. I kind of went out with some information from my Discord. They did say a potential EA on sneakers, and I kind of went full-fledged in there because I want you guys to have the best opportunity to hit on sneakers for retail. And if I can help you guys out any way, form, or fashion, bro, I will do that. Video or short or reel, IG retweet, whatever it is to help you guys able, get a pair of sneakers, especially these right here, because on the release date, I still think it's gonna be some trouble, bro. I think it's gonna be some trouble. You guys seen how the shock drop went, where Nike literally waited 23 minutes after the shock drop for me to get my confirmation, and I feel like on the release day it's gonna be a little bit worse. But we do have the double up, bro. The double up is secure for the Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagines. Had to pay resale for these, or that early tag. And then we got these joints right here for retail. Shouts out to Nike, bro. Look at them, bro. Quick little 360 of these things, man. Definitely worthy to be up there for sneaker of the year. You guys know we are going to be getting the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, which is super dope. Military blue 4s. And I do want to check the resale value real quick. Let's go ahead and put this over here. Just hold one of these things, man. That new shoe smell just feels so crazy. Kind of reminds me when I first started buying sneakers back in 2016. But let me go ahead and check StockX real quick. I love, kind of checking their app because it's a little bit easier to see all the prices. On GOAT, you got like scroll all the way down to see the prices, but on StockX, it's a little bit more user friendly, if that makes sense, man. So let's go ahead and check out StockX real quick, see what these Air Jordan 4s hitting for, and the prices have dipped, bro. The prices have dipped. They kind of still up there, to be honest, though. So if you hit on the buy, you see all the pricing. Put a little screenshot up here, but you do have a lot of, you know, high 200s, bro. So for my size 9.5 is 267. The release here within the next couple of days, and that could potentially go down a little bit or even up based off of what Nike Sneakers app does. If Nike Sneakers app is glitched out, botted out, I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be a $300 sneaker. But if it's a smooth, you know, release, sneakers is, you know, not bugging out, they got all the bots filtrated out of them things, then we will have a cheaper or a lower price on a resale margin as far as just Air Jordan 4s right here. Like I said, man, 260, 280 for 11.5. Even a size 13 going for 286, man. So hopefully, you know, they do dip a little bit. Hopefully the resale ain't too crazy to where if you do end up taking an L on sneakers or JD or wherever you are trying to get your pair, you ain't gotta pay an arm and leg, because it's definitely something you gotta have, bro. This is one of the ones. You know, I don't tell you guys you gotta have every sneaker that do come out in a year, but you know, it's like always like a couple of them ones, bro. It's always a couple of them ones. And if you do not have the 2019 pair of Air Jordan 4 Breads, bro, the next best thing is the reimagines that we do get this weekend, man. Nice, crazy leather on these things. Craftsmanship is crazy. I'm glad that we didn't get no, you know, crazy factory flaws like we did with last year's Air Jordan 3 reimagines. But it's just crazy to think, man. I know I'm all over the place right now. It's just crazy to think that we be getting 3 reimagined sneakers. I just don't believe it, bro. We got these joints. We got the Air Jordan 3 reimagines and the Air Jordan 1 black toe reimagines. There's a lot of stuff cooking up. But the downside to the 3s is that they are pushing the black hat 3s back, which I wish it didn't do. Just drop both of them, bro. They both gonna sell out. People still gonna buy both of them. I ain't gonna double up on both of them, but I will be getting the black cement reimagines, and of course I'm getting the black cat 3s. I gotta have the black cat 3s in the collection. Super easy to rock, predominantly black sneaker. One of them ones, bro. Like, it's another one of them ones you gotta add to the collection as far as drops from Jordan Brand in 2024. So if I do get any word on when this EA is going to be happening, even if it is still happening, because Nike, I'm telling y'all, bro, Nike be watching something, bro. They gotta be hip to what we know, and they switch it all the way up. You know, we haven't heard about the sneakers passes yet, and we haven't heard about that EA for these Air Jordan 4s. I know it's gonna happen, just a matter of time before they do it. May even be tomorrow on a Thursday. Who knows? Or they might just wait all the way to the release date and just drop the rest of the pairs they do have via Nike Sneakers app. Just a clean Air Jordan 4. I'm thinking about doing a how to style video like I do for, you know, pretty much some of the hottest drops. We did it last year for the Gratitudes. We did it for the Lost and Founds. I feel like, you know, these Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined, you know, worthy enough for me to get a couple fits out of. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all boys how to rock these things. But you already know, man, OutRank Brand has you guys covered as far as the gear to rock with these things. They already have it live on their website. So if you want to get some nice merch to go with, you know what I'm saying, your Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined, you guys can check out OutRank Brand. Use my discount code DaVintage to save you 10% off your entire order. And them hoodies, bruh, hoodies is fire, bruh. Hoodies is A1 steak sauce. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, bruh. Super clean. And I know it's probably gonna be one of the best sellers for the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. So go check out OutRank Brand, ASAP Rocky. Link down below in the description box to use that discount code DaVintage to save 10% off. So again, man, I ain't trying to flex, bro. Your boy ain't trying to flex, but I told y'all, bruh, these were double up worthy for your boy. That double up is secure. We good. We ain't gotta, you know, too much worry about the release date. But if you guys do want to go live this weekend, if you want to go live, bro, we gotta get this video up to 500 likes, bro. 500 likes. We will definitely go live this weekend. If not, we ain't gonna be going live, and you guys will see me doing kind of like a recap video like I do every, you know, huge release, major release, like a Reimagined 4, like a, you know, Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. You know, some of them hot releases, you guys kind of come to the video, chop it up with your boys, see what actually happened on your release day, see if you take an L, see what's going on in your city and all that good stuff. Just good conversation that we do have for those, you know, release recap videos. So I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Full review and no feed is already live for these Air Jordan 4s. So if you guys want to see the pants that I rock, how I lace them and all that good stuff, check out that video. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box. Leave a card up here so you guys can tap in. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any videos that we will be dropping. I gotta grab them. Hold on, bro. Hold on, man. We gotta grab these things, bro. We got a lot of videos to do. Eggplant foams and the Air Jordan 5 Olive on feet reviews will be coming very soon, bro. I can't, you know what I'm saying, let these 4s take over the videos, bro, because I definitely got to shed some light on these eggplants. Super excited that they bringing these back. You guys know I love foams. I started my YouTube channel, you know, kind of with the foam positive wave. And then, you know, foam positive kind of died off. But the eggplant is something I never had, something I always wanted to get. So shouts out to Nike for bringing the eggplant guys back out. These things is crispy, super cold. And of course, Air Jordan 5 olives speak for themselves. Full review and feet coming soon. I promise y'all. Stay tuned. So yeah, man, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.